Hello everybody. Welcome you in this tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to activate Windows 10 forever. So let's see how we can activate Windows 10 very easily. Before activating my Windows, let's see my Windows 10 is activated or not. Look, my Windows is not activated. So, I am going to activate my Windows 10 through using a toolkit called kmspico. I will give a download link of the toolkit on the video description. This is a zip file, so you have to extract it in a folder. Before extracting the folder, you have to deactivate real-time protection or antivirus of your PC. Go to Windows search box and search for Virus and Threat Protection. Then open it. Find Virus and Threat Protection setting. Then turn off Real-Time Protection. You have to turn off Real-Time Protection or Antivirus because Windows Defender or Antivirus will detect the toolkit as a virus if you extract it before turn off Real-Time Protection or Antivirus Protection. Now click on a zip file and extract it in a folder. Open the folder and find the file named kmsld. Double-click on the file and run it. Wait for some time to load the file. Press on the red button. It will activate both Microsoft Office and Windows 10 at the same time. The task has completed. Let's see the Windows is activated or not. Look, my Windows is activated. So guys, that's all about activating Windows 10 forever. Please like the video and share it. Subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching the video.